Welcome to the Copperfield Electric Podcast. This is the brief on California's new EV charging bill and affordable housing. As Orange County's family-owned 24/7 electrician, we literally do the wiring for EV chargers, so we've got a front-row seat to this policy debate. Here's the deal. California lawmakers are debating Assembly Bill 2748, which temporarily scales back the requirement that new affordable housing parking spaces have EV charging, basically forcing a collision between our desperate need for housing and our climate goals. First, developers want this passed because EV infrastructure adds about $2,500 a unit. They say cutting this removes hurdles to building affordable homes. But wait, that's less than 1% of total project costs. Is that really the best way to save, or is it kind of like skipping the frosting to save money on a wedding cake? Second, critics warn this creates a massive equity gap. With gas near $6 a gallon, electric vehicles offer huge savings, but low-income residents can't switch without home charging. Aren't we just shifting the financial burden from the developer's upfront cost directly into the resident's gas tank? Plus, retrofitting buildings later costs an absolute fortune. Finally, this exemption applies to projects built between 2025 and 2035, so it's going to dictate clean transportation access for thousands over the next decade. So, while California tries balancing cheaper housing today with clean energy tomorrow, decisions made now dictate who gets left behind. Whether it's a future build or your current home, if you need an EV charger or panel upgrade in Orange County, Copperfield Electric is ready 24/7 to keep you powered up.